In the currency quadrant, taking a look at the September British pound, which including today has rallied for 5 consecutive sessions, moving higher by over 2% in that stretch, and 9 of the last 10 sessions for a total move higher during that stretch of about 3.22%. We hit a new high for the year today. We hit a new closing high for the year and reached the highest level that we've seen since July 18th of 2023 in the British pound. A high today, a 131.01. That was up 49 basis points, so just short of a half of 1%. That's by the New York close. There is a little bit of time left in the future session, and I bring that up because we're sitting up 48 basis points at about 1.3098. So we're right on that high right now with a little bit of time left in the future session. On the low, 130.15. That was down 15 basis points. So we'll call this basically a straight up day for the pound. Now we got some UK economic data yesterday. Public sector net borrowing came in better than expected, or I should say more negative this morning for the UK. However, overall the UK is still in a deficit in terms of revenue collected by the UK government versus revenue spent by the UK government. Now this isn't typically great for the currency, but outside factors continue to strengthen the pound, and one of the main ones is US rates. The probability of a 50 basis point rate cut in the US in September has increased since yesterday from about 26% to about 31% according to the CME Fed Watch tool. We've also seen a big drop in the front end of the yield curve. Right now the 2-year is down 7 basis points at 392, 10 years back at 377, 5 years at 363. That's down 7 basis points, and the 30 years down 2 at 405. So we're getting a much bigger drop on the front end of the curve, again pointing towards a more aggressive rate hike stance by the Fed. And we do have Jackson Hole starting tonight with Jerome Powell speaking on Friday. So all of that pointing to a stronger British pound overall.